How to manifest anything with scripting. Here's some step-by-step instructions. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're soaring in the direction of your dreams and goals. We believe that each and every one of us can soar like a beautiful eagle and have the money they desire, the love they crave, and the health and happiness that they depend upon. That's you. You can have it all. Say it right now. I have it all. Okay, scripting helps you get there. And that's what we're talking about today, is we're talking about some step-by-step. And if you follow this to the end, you'll really come up with a game plan that will help you in your scripting and, more importantly, in manifesting the life that you desire and the life that you deserve. So, high flyers, you can journal using anything. I mean, you can write on toilet paper if that helps you. But my experience is that writing on 3x5 cards, writing on an ordinary tablet is not as effective as getting a good journal. This one is Italian made. I love it, but you can get whatever works for you. I started off with a little dime store journal years ago, and it worked fine for me. This works even better because it tells my subconscious mind that I value what I'm writing in here, that everything in here is of value to me. And it should be. These are your dreams. These are your goals. These are your intentions. So there are 3 aspects to journaling. You can do 1, 2, or all 3. I recommend doing all 3. The 3 aspects are gratitude, intentions and goals, and direct scripting, or magical scripting, as I like to call it. So, high flyers, let's start off with gratitude. When you do gratitude, I like to put down 9 items. This is very important. People come up with all kinds of numbers, but I have found that 9 is the perfect number for gratitude journaling. Why? It allows you to write 3 sentences of things that you are grateful for in the past. And if you do this every day, you will be shocked at how many things that you are grateful for. And as that becomes part of your personality and part of your energy field, it expands it. Makes you more magnetic, helps you to attract more of what you desire. And then 3 things that you are presently happy about. I am grateful for my wife, Rachel, and how much she loves me and takes care of me. I am grateful for my son, Julian. And I'm grateful for you, that you and I get to share time every single day together. I'm grateful for these wonderful things. That would be present tense. Now, the third part of it is future tense. And so 3 for past, 3 for present every day, and 3 for future. So if there's something that you desire, a new car, for example, I am grateful for my new BMW. I am grateful for my new Cadillac. I am grateful for the new boat that I'm driving. I have so much fun on it. You see, whatever it is that you want, bring it into present tense and manifest it by making it present tense. So your gratitude scripting, 3 in the past, 3 present, and 3 in the future, but write the future ones in present tense. One of the things I like about gratitude scripting is it's easy. There is so much in the universe to be grateful for. I can sit outside and say, I am grateful for the moon that gives me night or gives me light in the night. You know, I can be grateful for the moon. I can be grateful for the breeze. I can be grateful for the spring rain. There's no limit. There's nothing you can run out of. High flyers. Do you hear this? So gratitude scripting it's a wonderful way of creating affirmations too. Because as you write these things, I am, you're creating an affirmation. It's wonderful. You go back and you reread these over and over and over again. It just makes you feel so good about being alive and who you are. It fills you with positivity and love. So the second form of scripting, and you can do this in a different part of the book, is your intentions and goals. So you would write down an intention and or a goal, and you write it in present tense. My intention is to be loved. I am loved. You see what I'm saying? So if my intention is to be loved, my scripting will say, I am loved. Present tense. Okay, now I'm going to get more specific. So now I talked about love and that I am loved. So now I'm going to get into specific intentions and goals. My intention is to meet up with Rachel for dinner on Thursday night. And then I add a little bit to that. We are having a great time enjoying dinner and each other's company. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm putting a little bit of a story, a little bit of feeling, a little bit of color to my intention and goal scripting. It's absolutely fun. I love doing it. But you come up every morning, or if you do this 3 times a week, you come up with your intention or your goal or goals for the week. And then you write it down in present tense as if you were experiencing it right now. Now, high flyers, when I do scripting with intentions and goals, I want to act as if the goal has already been achieved. I'm not trying to get the goal or manifest it. It's already here. And I want to break it down into a few areas: spiritual, emotional, physical, financial, and intellectual. Listen, don't become lopsided, okay, and only write goals about your boyfriend, okay? Balance yourself out and write goals about every area of your life. It makes you more magnetic, it makes you more attractive, and it will help you manifest the life that you really, really desire. Well, high flyers, the fun way is the third way, and I do this as well, and it's called magical scripting. Magical scripting is if there's a magical energy around you, and so you write a story in present tense that you would like to see happen. I am enjoying a wonderful cruise in the Caribbean with Rachel, and we are dancing to the conga line, and we are having a blast, and we are laughing, and I am winning tons of money at the blackjack table. You see, I wrote a little snippet, a little story, and as I reread that story, it gets into my subconscious mind. I can even take that and put it on a flashcard and read it throughout the day. But it's a little story, doesn't have to be more than a paragraph. And you write one of those every day or every time you script. So you have 3 types of scripting. High flyers, do them all. Come on. This is about changing patterns in your life. It's about increasing your abundance and love and positivity. Now here's some other videos I know will help you on your journey.